And welcome to today's video. We are back on the boat and today we are putting on the deck. Finally, get in. Let me show you what we're doing. So what Dan's doing right now is marking out where all the cross sections are. So this is where we drill into. And then what we do is we countersink along here and go straight down. Isn't that right, Daniel? And for them who haven't seen yet, we have installed this box for under the deck as a little storage. So yeah, nice and simple. It's just going to take a little while, and then once all that's screwed down, we will then start to fiberglass it a little bit later on. It's a nice sunny day outside. Let's see how far we get. Woo, it's bright outside. First job, flex the board down before we screw it. So, deck's been screwed on. We're now measuring out the matting. So, welcome to day 2 of putting the deck on. It has been on all night, going off with all the flex going off and all that. Screws are held in well. That's how strong it is at the moment. Just got a few little things now to prepare, such as just sorting out the edges, making sure that they are flush. And then we are ready for fiberglassing. As you saw, we cut all the fiberglass yesterday, ready to go. And then once we start that, it's a couple of hours of slogging. Let's just watch him work. Sorry about the battery running out on the camera, but we couldn't stop. We're on the last section now. One more mix. Let's do it. Well, finally, the deck is on. Still a few little bits to do. We're going to do around the edges, but that's for another day. It's been a few hours now, and we're knackered. It's gone dark. It's time to go home. But thank you to Dan, who's hiding over there. We will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.